Good evening, brothers and sisters. We did have a coronal mass ejection come off the far side of the sun, it appears, going this way. At least that's according to Noah's model here. I know it doesn't really show us much here. Good old Enlil, old Sumerian god, not really telling us the truth anyway, so whatever. So let's actually go take a peek, shall we? We're gonna go here. It actually is popping off down here on this region, and this is where I get confused. You can see it pop here. Watch, I'll show you. See? There it goes. So it's on the southern, if we're looking at it east, but it truly would be the western side of the sun, right? So it's down below. Okay? So we see the time right around 15:55. We see it there. Okay? Just make it clear, nothing up top. We see nothing up top whatsoever. Just that little pop there on the bottom. Okay? So, close that guy out. Let's come on over here to Soho Movie Theater. Now here's where I don't understand this part. We'll go right here to 92. And we'll actually start. Uh-oh. What was that? Yeah, see that? Oh, yeah, there's more Memorex. Light bending. How you doing? Okay, let's scoot forward. Oh, look at all of them. They're everywhere. There's another one. Borg Cube. Bending light. Yeah, you little turd. What was that? Oh, more of them, huh? We got light trails going on. So let's go ahead and get up to 1800. What was it? The 55, I believe, right around 1555. Hey, that's what it was showing. Let's just go there, then we'll go back and check out a few other things. Whoop, wait a second. Borg Cube. And did you notice the time jump? 1148 to 1348. Oh, we're missing. Oh, wait a minute. It's from 7 o'clock to 11:12. Missing hours. That's 4 hours and 12 minutes. So here we go. 1348. Isn't that funny that the Borg Cube appears and then boom, all of a sudden 2 hours later? That's interesting. But look at where it's coming out. It's coming out of the top side of the sun, not the bottom side. What is that all about? Oh, right here. And maybe a second one right here. You guys see that? So why is it coming out of the top on Lascaux? This is Lascaux C2, but it's coming out of the bottom side on Soho. I don't understand that, folks. If anybody could explain that to me, that would be great. Oh, look at that. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Yeah, we got a bunch of those around here, don't we, folks? But that's really not the big reason I brought everybody. I'm making a video tonight. I actually made a connection. Ooh, look at that. That's a nice one. Oh, and look. You got his line there, and there he is. A little, if you will, warp signature trail, if you want to call it. That's what I'd call it, just because it makes sense. Oh, there's another one up top there. How you doing, buddy? They're everywhere. All we got to do is start looking. So, the real reason I brought us in here tonight is because I made a pretty strong connection. Hopefully most of us know about PM 2.5 and how it is a very highly toxic ordeal. Oh, look, there's another one. Bird. You guys seen him? I love it. Oh, wait. There's another one. Heck, that could be a third one right there. And this could be one going right off the viewer. Oh, I love it. 3 in one shot. Bam. Well, PM 2.5 is extremely bad. It is highly toxic to the human body in epic proportions. Okay, we're gonna get off of this one here. We saw him. But it's not Earth directed, so we'll be okay. We'll get into the PM 2.5 here in just a minute. But I did want to show you here on seeds, we can actually see the jump in time. It goes to 1436 here, and then of course, yeah, we can see it. We can see them. lot nicer on seeds. Yep, right there. So this one was from today. Now if you look, it actually almost looks like there's one here too, and then one here and one here, but it's almost like it stops. Watch this. Watch the next frame. See how it held this held still. This didn't move. Watch. I'll go back one. See how it didn't move? Look at that. And then it picks up and goes. You can still see it's nice and rounded here, but it also looks like something's round right here too. It's getting really weird, folks. Not gonna lie, and then all of it kind of goes off screen. So that was interesting. Oh, yeah. Looks like there's one over here that was kind of sneaking out the backside. So as it was throwing up, looks like it was pooping too. Sorry. So let's come on over to here. I want everybody to pay attention. Do we see how the PM 2.5 is pretty much all over the place? So we see all this PM 2.5. The red is obviously very bad. Okay, we'll see if we can get what the readings are. I don't know why they're so concentrated up here, but goodness, look at this. That's not good at all. But I'm just going to kind of zoom out so that everybody can... I think that is zoomed out all the way, actually. See all of this? Guess what PM 2.5 comes from? Does anybody know? I mean, and it's everywhere. Look at it. It's all over the place. It is from iron oxide. PM 2.5 samples from 2 locations in urban Los Angeles were investigated using a combination of bulk and spatially resolved element specific spectroscope and microscopy methods. Okay, so basically there's total iron in PM 2.5 is 89. Iron oxide. Okay? Iron oxide. PM 2.5. Okay? This is something that I encourage everybody to come read exactly what it is, exactly what it does, exactly what it can do to the human body, and how it affects us. And I'm kind of going to show you why. This is my theory. My idea, actually, I would say it's truth, but some people would like to argue. I'll show you exactly why this is so significant. Here we are. All I did was put in what surrounds Nibiru. Nibiru is the planet of the Anunnaki, the Sumerian gods, the gods of the Holy Bible. Yes, the Anunnaki. They are the ones that are the gods of the Bible. Enki and Enlil. You know, Enlil, like the Enlil prediction model. Ain't that funny? So, here we are. The Vatican and the popes has long treated Nibiru as personal property and has harassed, intimidated, or eliminated persons that dove too deeply into the secrets of Nibiru. At one time, it controlled the only 2 terrestrial telescopes capable of penetrating the dense cloud of red iron oxide dust that surrounds the Nibiru system. Okay, so I'm hoping that everybody's understanding. It is coming. It is already past us and it's at the sun doing its thing, and it is going to be coming back around. Okay? That is why they keep crop dusting us, or chemtrailing the living crap out of us, if you will. There are many things in here that it's called Nibiru by the Sumerians, or Planet X by scientists years ago. In the Bible, it's called wormwood. It's mentioned 7 times in the Bible. I mean, it's pretty evident. So, please go to windy.com and keep an eye on the PM 2.5 for yourselves. Okay, it does have an iron oxide cloud. We can go to some images of roughly what it looks like, if I can find you a good one. This one's probably going to be about the better one. And you see it's pretty clouded. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. That's why the PM 2.5 is all over. But you guys can see, oh, here's a good one actually. You can see all the dust all around it. By all means, please look it up. Look it up, everybody. Look it up, brothers and sisters. Please start learning. other things in the Bible that are real, guess what? Giants. Yes, giants roamed the earth. They were in the time of the Bible, and guess what? They're still around. They're still here. They've been around here for a very, very long time. Do we see them? Not so much. They've been in stasis, sleeping. We're talking about advanced civilizations that have been coming to this planet for millions of years. Our species, we are very old. We've been here a lot longer than what the Bible tells us. Okay, the Bible has been rewritten and edited, books removed, words changed, paragraphs changed, everything. Here's some Anunnaki stone circles. Guess where they're at? South Africa. Please go look up Michael Tillinger. Look up some of his videos. I mean, Michael Tillinger is brilliant. I really hope that man gets the credit that he deserves. He has put so much together for us. And here's one of the things that really I think everybody should really kind of just take a peek on. Signs and symbols rule the world, not words nor laws. See this? Air Force. Wingstop. Well, that's kind of funny. I actually love Wingstop. I like their hottest ones I got. Nazi symbol with wings. Oh, wait a minute. Like an eagle. Hey, isn't it the United States of America's animal? The eagle? What the heck? Look at this. Chrysler. Nazi. What is this? Aerosmith. Money. What is it? Does anybody recognize this? This is a sun with wings. And look, serpents. Whoa, wait a minute here. That's Egyptian, isn't it? The Egyptians have been telling us for decades. Wait a minute. I don't know about that. Guess what? So do the Chinese. Now here, all I did was just type in NIBIRU 2021. See this? With wings? Yeah. There are multiple civilizations that have a round disc with wings on it. The Mayans, the Aztecs, the Chinese. The Chinese, it's the red dragon. They're known as the red dragon. This is the red dragon. That's what the Chinese call this, is the red dragon. It's coming, folks. I mean, here's flying over Taiwan from a trail cam that they're seeing. I mean, there are so many videos of it out there and pictures that people are taking like, wait, what is that in the sky? Everything that we're seeing nowadays is a distraction. That's why they're chemtrailing us. They don't want us seeing this. As a matter of fact, the sun that we're looking at right now, it's not even a real sun. It's a sun simulator, a star simulator. Go look at one of my other videos. I show you guys the evidence of it, the patent numbers from NASA, how it's designed, what it looks like, and I even show you in there screenshots from LASCO C3 of them putting it in place and from seeds. It's there. This they don't see this at all. Oh, this right here is Anunnaki. This right here is Sumerian. Look at this, a disc with wings. Just like the Egyptian one. Folks, this is a real deal. This is really coming. It's really going to happen. And we need to be ready for it. Okay? One of the ways that we're going to be ready and to be able to evolve as a species is to love. Just love one another. Love one another deeply, as much as we can. Oh, look at this. Black hole sun, won't you come and wash away the rain? Oh yeah. It's everywhere. We just have to start looking. So start looking, please. Folks, I love you. Stay safe.